Here is your weekly dose from your somewhat ass-kicking, somewhat kinky, somewhat spiritual relationship and sex coach. This week is about something that really drives me crazy. What the fuck is your problem? Why isn't it the same for you that who has a relationship with whom? Why does it bother you that they are gay, they are lesbian, they are transgender, they are different colors, they are short, they are fat, they are small, they are whatever? What is your problem with that? If somebody would go up to you and they would tell you that this is just ridiculous what you are doing and how dare you, how would you take it? It's just no go. Just leave everyone be. You want to be yourself. You want to live your own life as you would like it, won't you? Then how dare you get into the face of anybody else and bother them because they have a different type of a relationship, because their gender choice or because their sexual choices are different than yours. Sure, be legal age and have everybody consenting to whatever the relationship or the sex act is about. Other than that, there is no reason for anybody to talk into anybody else's life. Let them be, they let you be. And that's it. It's that simple. Why you do that? I have a wild guess. You might be jealous, or somebody told you so, or I don't know. What's your problem? Are you okay with yourself? Did you look into the mirror and did you figure out who you are? Could that be that maybe you want to live your life completely different, but you just don't dare? Could that be? So, when you decide that you are ready to be yourself and you are ready to become whoever you want to become and have a relationship and a sex life with whomever you want to have a sex life and a relationship with, and you just want to really go for the better version of yourself, and if you feel like it, that is somewhat ass-kicking video helps you in that, then you can find me through my website, and then we can start with some personal coaching sessions. I'm here, and I would be very happy to help, and I would be very happy if you could become more happy.